Hello guys, today we're playing the game Make It Rain because we like to make it rain though. Look at this cool. Well, today I ain't gonna show you how to make it rain because everybody knows how to do it. I'm gonna show you the bucket thing, how to upgrade it, and look how much I have. It's like empty, and I just go over here, come over here to the settings, then just go over here, general, date and time, and put set automatically, turn it off, then just change the date a couple of days, and then look at this, voila. And now look at that. Ooh, that's good. Look, it's empty. You do it all over again. Nigga, load, goddammit. Ooh. So you do it all over again. There, look. And trust me, I did not edit to do this. This is just the easiest way that you can have without jailbreak. Because we like to make it rain. Bye guys. Peace out. Peace out. Leave a like and subscribe.